Hello, I'm Olaf from WellStar IT, and I would like to show you the Enroll Distributor app today. So it's the mobile recruiting web app that we prepared for you. What's the aim of that recruiting web app? Well, we want to simply give you an opportunity or a chance to enroll new partners, distributors online in a very simple and effective way. So we want to make it easy, quick, and we want to avoid as much as possible paperwork. So that's why we put it online. So the best point to start is in your partner office in WebStar, and we set up the new recruiting web app in basically two steps. So one step is that the sponsor, so that's you, is going to prepare all the data that is required for a new partner to start with WellStar. So you will prepare all data, type them in, select the products, and so on. And then basically a link is sent to the new distributor, to the new partner, and he can review the settings and the selections you made and then acknowledge that. So that's the two steps that we basically have there. So first of all, we will start with your part, and that is basically preparing all the settings for the new partner. So like I said, we're starting on the partner office, and there you can go over to the Success Center. And in the Success Center, you will find a point called Enroll Distributor. You can click on that one. And then you see an interface where you can start from there. Now, the cool thing about what we did is that you can actually even do this on your mobile phone or on your tablet. So if you're sitting right next to a person somewhere in a cafe or wherever, you can actually do this on your mobile phone. And that's also what I'm going to do. So to do that, you can simply click in the right top corner and click on mobile website, or you simply open up your smartphone and the browser there and go to m.webstar.biz. So that's m like mobile.webstar.biz. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So here I'm on my mobile phone now, and I went to m.webstar.biz, and here I have the start page of the mobile website. So I'm going to log in now, and when I do this, I also get the menu like you all do. And you see even there's a new point called Enroll Distributor. And this is basically the same like on the normal website in a partner office. So here you see it's the same interface, but it's much more optimized for the mobile screen. So what you have here is like the start page or the overview page of the enrollment part. Later on, you will see here all the people that you have enrolled through that tool, and you can update data there or see what their status is. So for now, we want to enroll a new distributor to WellStar. So there's two ways you can do that. You can use the search bar and the search field that you have here, and look up all your direct end customers or contacts that you have. So everybody that is directly assigned to you, that you signed in or that you notified or have written down in Acquisition Center, are persons that you can search here for. You can search by name, email address, or even ID number if you have it, and pick these persons and these contacts and continue with them. Or a second way, and that's what we are going to do today, is we're starting basically from scratch. So I'm going to press that new distributor button, and then basically you get an empty interface where you can type in all the data. What we did here is also we reduced this to the minimum. So you will only have to fill in a few data here, like the name or the date of birth, street and address data. So basically all the things that we really need in order to enroll somebody for WellStar. And now I have the most important data, contact data already on it. So I'm clicking on Save, Continue. And then we come to the second page. And the second page is the page where you select with which products Far Start sets the partner wants to start immediately. So you see already at the top the WellStar license is already pre-selected, and so that's included anyway. And then it's a question which Far Start set the partner wants to have. So here I'm going to look into the silver package, because that's the one where I can select between a face or body lifter. So I click on that package, and here you see I have to configure if I want a face or body lifter. So I'm selecting a face lifter. Then I have to select which color I want. So the addition, if I want the one for the man or for woman, I'm going for the white one. And I know that James Brown is, well, he's not the youngest anymore, so I know that he needs the advanced serum. And finally, I have to decide with him which payment method he wants to use to pay this package. So I know, and I asked him, and I know that he wants to use credit card. So this is what I selected. So I have the WellStar license selected, I have the face and body lifter selected, and so on. I can also switch to another one. You see, I could also go for the bronze edition, but no, I'm staying with the silver one. So you see, here's the silver edition. And so on. So if I think this is correct, of course I should talk with my new partner about that. I can click on Save and Continue, and now the system saves this information, and what you will see now is a summary of all the information that we have entered so far. So you see at the top you have the contact details that I have entered, the address, the phone number, the email address. I could also click on Edit and change all this data again. I could also specify an alternative delivery address if that's required. Maybe the goods should be shipped somewhere else than the official address. Things that you could specify here. Then below we have the complete product list, so all the things that we have selected. So there's the WellStar WebStar license, and also the discounts because it's free for the first year. Then we have the facelifter silver edition in white with the advanced serum selected, and we have the shipping costs specified there. So basically now everything is prepared that could be sent out to the new partner. And that's exactly what happens now. If I say, okay, everything is fine now, I can press the finalize and prepare order button, and this would now send out the information to my new partner. So here you have your confirmation screen, which tells you and acknowledges you basically that this order is now prepared and has been emailed out to the email address that is given there, and the new partner can now have a look at it. If for some reason that email doesn't go through, or maybe you don't you have another way to reach that person quicker or whatsoever, so if you use like Viber or something else, you also have the link presented here, and that's the individual link for your new partner to actually review these settings. So you could also go there, copy this link, and send it through a channel that maybe Facebook Messenger, whatsoever. Alternatively, you could use one of the buttons below that open up some apps that might be installed on your mobile phone. If you wish to change some of the orders, so maybe you found out, well, the email address is not correct, or something else, or maybe it should be a different payment method, or it should be another package, you have that change order button here. And this is the point where you could go and change the content of that order or the contact details, basically everything that's in there again. This is also the point where you would go if your new partner would tell you that he wants to have some changes somewhere. Well, if everything is fine, you can click on the list of new distributors buttons, which basically brings you back to that start page that we have seen at the very beginning. But you will notice that now below, you will actually see there's your James Brown, your new partner that you have prepared for now. And you could actually click on that one and again change the order details if the new partner asks you for. So this is basically the step that you as a sponsor have to do. So basically you entered the data for the distributor, and now it's his turn to actually review this and acknowledge this. And this is what we're going to see in the next step. So here I am now in my email account. So I'm now James Brown, basically, so your new partner. And I now received an email from my sponsor, Clive Coaching, that sent me basically my individual starter package. So I can look into that email, and you see, hello James Brown, I prepared your individual starter package, follow the link and start right now. So that's very encouraging. So there's the green button. So the new partner would now click on the show my starter package button, and that would automatically log him in to the mobile website and would show his summary of all the data that you as a sponsor created for him. So here you see at the top, much like what you have seen before, the summary of his contact data. Again, he could click on the edit button and change this. There's delivery address. Again, he could also go there and specify a delivery address in case you haven't done it already for him. And then below, also the same like you have seen before as a sponsor, there's a summary of the goods that he would order. So it's the same again, all the same products, of course. Most importantly, you have the terms and conditions to accept. So basically, what our new partner has to do, he has to say, I accept that, and then he can click on accept and order. And now his order as a distributor is being placed. Here you see he gets an order confirmation, which tells him, hey, this is the order number that has been used for your order. This is what's in the order, so there's the license in it, and there's also the facelifter, and there's also an amount that he wanted to pay by credit card. Of course, if he would have selected bank transfer, then he would get the necessary information here to initiate the bank transfer. But now he selected credit card, so he simply gets a Pay Now button, and that's very easy. You could simply click on that button and would be sent to the payment gateway, where he could enter his credit card data. So this is what we all know. You know this from lots of websites. So fill in your data, and then everything is fine. So here you see now the payment was successful. So the order is paid, and in this moment the partner is completely enrolled as a new distributor. So he now has access to his partner office completely. He has his own personal website at mywellstar.com, and also the goods that he has ordered will be shipped out automatically. And of course he gets email notifications with the access data to the back office and all that. So right now he's finished as a new partner and can immediately enroll even other partners. So here I am back as the sponsor of that new partner, and if I go to my enrolled distributor page, I will now also see that the new distributor is no longer prepared, but he's accepted, and so I still see him in the list. And that's basically how the whole system and the whole process works. So you as a sponsor prepare the basic data, you select the fast start package that the new distributor wants to have, you select the payment method, then the link gets sent out to the new partner. New partner gets that link, can review all the things that you configured for him already and selected for him already, can do some changes to that, maybe talks to you to have some other things changed, and finally he can accept it, and then he's fully enrolled as a new partner. I think this was it's a very nice tool, and it helps you to really get people enrolled as new distributors very fast, very easy.